Do you want to earn hundreds of dollars by simply downloading files? What we are about to tell you is absolutely accurate for earning up to $280 in a single day. Because the secret is to select a great program that is completely free to download. You just download free photographs or data from the first app, then re-upload them to the second app and earn money. The more photographs you distribute, the more money you will earn. Videos, websites, affiliate marketing, selling referrals, and social media are all superfluous. All that is required is a straightforward and simple procedure that everyone may perform in 10 minutes per day. After all, why not earn up to $280 every day from the convenience of your own home or by simply using a smartphone or a computer? Isn't that incredible? And yes, both of these apps are available globally and accept a variety of payment methods. This is novel and exciting. Therefore, make sure to keep an eye on this video till the very conclusion. Now, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to combine two distinct free apps in order to earn a substantial amount of money online. We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. This is the first application that we are going to demonstrate to you. As you can see, it is completely free, and you will not be required to pay anything in order to begin using it. Now, allow us to demonstrate exactly how much money you can make using this free application. As you can see here, there are denominations. In some cases, this amount is spent over and over again. Just click on all of the people in the room. Right now, people from all walks of life, from all over the world, are actively catching money, and they are being extremely transparent in their efforts. Nonetheless, keep in mind that in order for the strategy to be successful, you must use another app after this one is completed. So make sure to watch the entire video to understand exactly how it works and what you need to do to get started. So, allow us to quickly explain what this app is all about. You can learn more about it by visiting up-load.io. This website's fundamental premise is that you can earn money simply by uploading 3,000 images. You can now earn from your efforts by uploading something to this website and allowing others to download it for free. It makes no difference whether you're sleeping, traveling, or doing nothing. You can still earn up to $6 for each download of content you've uploaded to this website. Don't worry. We'll show you exactly where to find 3,000 photographs to download, as well as an automated method for submitting them using a phone or a computer. To begin, allow us to demonstrate how to sign up for this website for free by clicking on the Sign Up button below. After that, you'll be directed to the user registration page where you will enter your username, email address, and password, as well as your credit card and billing information. As you can see here, they accept PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash as payment methods. After you've completed all required fields, click that I am not a robot box and then the green register button to complete the registration process. We are now able to begin uploading the files. Now that we've signed into our account, this can be done on a computer, a mobile phone, or any other device that has internet access. Additionally, when you click the Upload Files button, you will begin uploading files to this website, and you will earn money whenever someone downloads one of your files. Following that, we will show you exactly where you can find completely free files to upload, and you'll be well on your way to earning a fortune on this website. This time, we will now demonstrate how to use the second piece of software, which is called Pixabay. You can find it on the internet. Additionally, the logo is as follows, so make sure that the application you're downloading is the correct one. On this website, a large number of royalty-free and copyright-free images of extremely high quality are available for free download. All the images and videos on Pixabay are under a Creative Commons license, which means they can be used commercially. With the assistance of Pixabay, you can monetize it by uploading it to the first app, as we demonstrated earlier in this video. Alternatively, you may use it for any purpose without attribution. We shall now demonstrate a real-world scenario, complete with detailed steps that will walk you through the process from downloading to uploading and immediately beginning to generate revenue. Please take note that we have already uploaded one image to this page, and we shall demonstrate how to do so immediately. Let's begin by visiting Pixabay.com, which features stunning free images and royalty-free stock photography. They offer free downloads of over 1.7 million high-resolution photos and videos. For instance, if we enter nature and then click the search button, we will be presented with a list of free images that we could immediately download. Additionally, if we click on any of these images, we will be able to demonstrate how to use them. And finally, if you click on this image, we are able to select the resolution. So, the first and foremost critical piece of advice we can give you is to ensure that you first download high-quality images from the internet. To earn money from your images, you must download images of at least 12 MP and ensure that they are of sufficient quality and resolution for people to download and profit from them. So, we're going to highlight these here, which is a very small file, and you can download as much as you want from there. Therefore, once you've chosen this one, we'll click the download button. As you can see, the download process on our computer has begun, and you can do this on a computer or a phone. And it makes no difference which one you use. We are finally ready to begin uploading images to this website. Prior to demonstrating how to upload, let us show you first how to download. If you look at this image, you can accomplish the same thing by clicking on the free download button, selecting this particular item, and then clicking on the download button again. The download will then start, and once again, this is a completely free tool. Click here to begin the process of downloading these images from Pixabay. We have no reason to spend any money. Following that, we return to the first website and demonstrate how to upload the files. When you click on the Upload File button, you will now be able to upload a file. You can access additional information by clicking on this link or on the image directly below. As you can see, we now have 3 additional photographs to use to supplement the content of this website. For instance, we'll demonstrate what happens when you click on the second image and then open it. The result can be seen in this image right here. Additionally, we are capable of uploading more files. Now, we'd like to upload another image. You will see 2 photos here, and once you've completed uploading everything, you'll click this blue button to initiate the uploading process for them. Everything is viewable right here. It is actually quite quick due to the small size of these photos. This is a small file that can be run thousands of times per day if desired. Earning money is possible when you upload more images to your account. They will provide you with 2 links to download a file immediately after you finish uploading it, and you will be compensated each time someone clicks on this link to download the file.